Now let's discuss the solution of a system of equations. So over here we have a question and it says that we have these two equations. And by using these two equations, we must find the values of x and y. So how do we do this? Basically now we're dealing with two variables. And once you have two variables, you need two equations to solve them. So let's see. Over here, you'll give this equation the name equation 1. And this is now the second equation. And now you'll basically just give this variable y this value. You'll take 2x, you'll take 4 on this side, and you'll take y on that side. And now you have an equation for y, a function of x, if you will. Now, put this equation 2 in equation 1. And now replace every y in equation 1 with 2x minus 4. Now, upon solving it, you'll multiply 4x with everything inside this bracket, and then you'll square 2x minus 4 over here. And after performing all these calculations and simplifying, you'll basically get this. And then once you take minus 2 common outside, you get this equation. And now you'll take minus 2 on the other side. You'll divide 0 by minus 2. And then you'll get this equation. Now, you'll factorize this equation. And upon factorization, you'll get this equation. Obviously, over here, this 5x minus 11 and this 5x minus 11 will become one factor, and x minus 1 will become the other factor. Now, either 5x minus 11 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0, or both of them are 0. Basically, you'll equate both of these factors to 0, and now you'll find two values for x, 11 over 5 and 1. Now, you have to put these values of x in equation 2. Just a reminder, this is equation 2. Y is equal to 2x minus 4. Now, put x is equal to 11 in y is equal to 2x minus 4, and upon solving it, you'll get a value y is equal to 2 over 5. And then you basically have this solution set. X, when x is 11 over 5, y is 2 over 5. And similarly, for x is equal to 1, you'll put that into y is equal to 2x minus 4. And upon solving it, you'll get this solution set. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2. And now you have this solution set, this complete solution set, where you have these two.